Ever wondered where the humble piece of toast came from? While toasting bread goes back to Roman times, it only became popular when Elmer Klein introduced the US to the wonder of pre-sliced bread and coined the expression, "That's the best thing since sliced bread." Though originally from Austria, it was the French that made croissants a national dish by baking with puff pastry. The Industrial Revolution saw the first steam mill built in London in 1779 and made mass production of flour possible to bakers throughout the British Isles. While the idea of dough, rolled and made into a circle, with a tomato topping to make pizza, was only 250 years ago. Travelling back further, it was the ancient Greeks that introduced bread throughout Europe. Naan bread originates from the Indo-Persian region. The word naan is a Persian word meaning bread, and quickly gained royal approval of India's Mughal era. And well before pizza was delivered, the Etruscans in ancient Italy made pasta from flattened wheat. Unleavened bread was discovered in areas of Neolithic Turkey. But going back even further, charred crumbs of wild wheat flatbread from Natufian hunter-gatherers in Jordan were discovered. The ancient Egyptians were originally thought to have been the first to use wheat to make bread. And this is where our previously accepted journey of grain ends. But a recent discovery has changed everything we thought we knew. An old grinding stone with starch in it was discovered in the Northern Territory of Australia and has been dated at 65,000 years old. That's double the length of time of any other known evidence of milling flour in history. Compelling evidence that Indigenous Australians were the first bakers in the world, and that their innovation back then preceded tens of thousands of years of food culture, leading all the way to that piece of toast you enjoyed for breakfast this morning. Join us on the journey as we celebrate the oldest living food culture in history.